Hey folks, it's JT here. Hey, I got a little tip for you if you're camping or if you're full-timing. Say you're going down the road, you're going to a campsite, you want to have a fire that night, but it just rained the night before and everything's wet. Well, if you save your old containers like this snack food container, you can go out and you can fill it with dry grass, small pieces of kindling, bigger pieces of kindling. Just make a nice little fire starter kit, and then you can get your fire going when the other wood is wet. Just remember to replace it after with dry stuff as soon as you can, so you have it ready for the next time. Anyway, that's my camp tip. Maybe a good one, may not be, but hey, give it a shot. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.